Fendi for Fendi for Fendi, Fendi peach one. 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 Fendi for Fendi for Fendi, Fendi peach one.
Woke up and felt like baking. So this was my morning. Banana walnut bread loaf, okay? Also, yeah, this was the last of those croissants from Costco. Why is it hard to open when you film it, right? So I made peanut butter cookies, chocolate chip cookies, and banana nut muffins. Yeah, I felt like baking. Good day, y'all. Now this is caramel made out of white sugar. It tastes so good. And if you don't have heavy whipping cream on hand, do equal parts butter to equal parts any type of milk you like. I use almond, but you're really supposed to use milk, but equal parts butter to equal parts milk, and you'll have your own heavy whipping cream. Anywho, I did put a dash of sour cream in here because I'm extra. And there's my bundt cake pan, and there's the bundt cake. This has Irish cream liquor in it, so I can't wait to taste it. We want this to be as thick as possible. Cut off now. I just want to show y'all how thick it's getting. And it's so ooey gooey delicious. I changed the plate. So we're gonna pour this on. Yeah. It's just so thick, I don't want to lay a spoon. I'm gonna sit it on top of the banana cake. And we're gonna just straight pour it on. I'm gonna move it over so let's pour this on. Now, I can't do both at the same time, but we're gonna try. I think I made it too thick. We're gonna fill this whole cake up with this. We don't care where it flows. We just need it to flow. We need it to cover up the cake. Yeah. Got all that goodness. Okay, guys. So let's recap. I woke up earlier today and I felt like baking. First, I made banana walnut muffins. Then I made it into a loaf, banana walnut loaf. Then I went on to make homemade chocolate chip cookies. And then I felt like, let me make this batter again and make some peanut butter cookies. And then I had some, I need to go get that. I'm gonna go get that. I'll be back. Okay. So I made some Irish cream liquor bundt cake with homemade caramel sauce made from sugar, heavy cream, and butter. Salt was optional over a medium to high, medium boil on the stove. Yeah. So we're gonna try to cut into this. If I can get a knife. So yeah. This came from Costco. It was $16.99, and Aldi's has a version which is strawberry canellas, but it's like Irish cream strawberry. It's milky. They're both milky, and that was $7.99, I think. We're gonna cut into this. I'm gonna tell y'all the secret though. I forgot to put the butter in. Yeah, I don't recommend making this caramel sauce. To me, it's like a hard candy because it's really, really hard. It made the cake even harder. So it's really for coffee, or if you want to make some hard caramel candy. So I really don't recommend putting it on the cake. But let's cut us a piece and let's taste it. Okay, even though I forgot the butter, it's still moist. It's still moist. You don't really taste the liquor. But the caramel sauce is chewy. So the girl did say you can put it in coffee. It's better in coffee if you want to make your own caramel sauce or make it out of a candy, a hard candy. But don't put it on cake, y'all. It's chewy. It's like this caramel. Yeah. So, yeah.